Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my completed diamond painting kit, Gingebread House. This diamond painting kit was purchased from Michael's, although online the cost was around $20. This is a semi-full 11 by 14 inches diamond painting kit that came with resin drills, round resin drills, and 2 colors of AB. This kit contains 39 colors. To tell you the truth, I'm a believer that stained glass diamond paintings should be diamond painted with sparklers, or at least 90% of such style should be diamond painted with crystals. And it was one of the reasons why I hadn't been purchasing this kit for some time. And then, maybe a few days before I decided to purchase this kit, I saw a completed image, this image, but finished with sparklers only. More than that, that image was bigger than this one. It was 16 by 20 inches. And when I saw it, I was really very disappointed because it lacked any resolution. It was super blurry and looked super pixelated. This is the image of a full round crystalline kit in the size of 40 by 50 centimeters. Pretty blurry, right? And this is the original picture of the kit that I purchased. That's how it was originally supposed to look without any of my
enhancements.
And I actually decided to go with this kit and customize it with sparklers on my own in the places, in the areas where it could fit the most. And as you can see, that's what I did with this kit. So the majority of the background and the house was diamond painted with the original kits that came in the kit. Although I did a few enhancements with the crystals, precisely on the window, I customized window colors with the crystals. Some of them were bought from Tina Diamond Painting with sparklers. These diamonds are from Diamond Dots. These crystals are from Diamond Dots that I purchased separately. Some were leftover stones from kits from AliExpress or Crystal Canvas Art Design. I also added crystal accents on the lantern, on the crystal ornaments here on the wreath or whatever it is here, to reflect again the effect of glass, and on the sun. I also added some white ABs over here on the roof. The kit did not contain white AB color. It came with blue AB and with yellow AB. So I decided to replace a very light greenish resin color with white AB as snow, and I think that it looks actually way better and sparklier. Whatever you see on the screen, unfortunately, again, uh, the camera does not show the full sparkle. Um, it is way much more intense, but still, I really like the detailization a lot.
The only thing that I do not like about this kit is the symbol location. As you have probably already noticed, there is some gapping in between the drills and you can see the color in the background. That's because the symbols are located randomly instead of them being located in straight horizontal rows like in standard diamond painting kits. And that's what makes me call this very diamond painting semi-full instead of full.
And of course, that actually prevents from using multiplacer that I use a lot on other kits. I mean, you can see it here, you see, kind of like in half circle. But I still do love the final result, the detailization of this kit. I love the selection of colors, exquisite sparkle. It looks amazing. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I will leave the link to this kit in the description box below. Thank you for watching and see you soon.